This video is to show you how to use the check calculator function on Employer on the Go, which is useful for when you need to calculate the net pay for an employee that you need to write a check for. So, the Payroll drop-down menu, check calculator. You select the employee name from the drop-down menu at the top. Make sure the calculation type is gross to net. And right here, you can type in the number of hours that they worked. If they worked some overtime, add new record, and you can put in the overtime like this. If they had a bonus, you can add another record, scroll down, type in bonus, and then you can type in the amount right here in this column. Tax information automatically generated from their profile, and any deductions if you want to include their dental and medical. This is by default unselected from the system, so you want to select it if you want to include that. Then at the bottom, click Calculate. That will bring you to the Employee Summary page, which will show you the gross pay, which is before taxes, the tax amount, any deductions, and the net pay. This is the amount that you write for the check. Net pay. If you need to know any tax details, it's here. It'll show you the accruals as well. After you've written the check, don't forget to email us that check number and the hours that you had for that employee so we can capture it in the system for their year-end W-2. Thank you for choosing On-Time Payroll.